Hello friends, today we are going to start the fourth poem, that is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow. It is written by Edgar Guest, born in 1881 and died in 1959. He born in England but brought up in United States. So in that sense, whatever writings he have had, it is written in United States. That is why he is American writer. At the age of 14, he started his career and he became very famous, and he was known as people's poet because of his simple writing and optimistic tone. He has written various articles in newspapers and magazines. This is an inspirational poem. In this poem, the speaker is asking the reader whether they have done anything to improve the life of another human being or not. It is up to you whether you will have a better future or not. Therefore, one should consider one's actions and deeds carefully and plan accordingly for a better future. So this poem is having optimistic tone, and poet is trying to tell us, trying to give a message that we must always remain humble. As a human being, we must help each other, and that is our duty. So he has asked 2-3 questions, and he's trying to test our behavior, whether we behave properly or not. दोस्तों, ये छोटी सी पोएम है, लेकिन इसमें जो सब्जेक्ट उजागर किया है एडगर गेस्ट ने, ये बेहद ही महत्वपूर्ण है. हमारा जो एक दूसरे के प्रति जो बर्ताव है वो अच्छा नहीं रहता, और वो अच्छा रहना चाहिए. एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग हमारी ये मॉरल ड्यूटी है कि हम एक दूसरे के प्रति अच्छे रहें. वी ऑलवेज रिमेन सेल्फिश, वी ऑलवेज चीट अदर्स, सो इट इज़ रॉन्ग थिंग. इससे होता क्या है, किसी का बुरा किया तो अपना भी बुरा होता है, अपना कभी भी अच्छा नहीं होता. एडगर गेस्ट इस पोएम में 2-3 क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं हमको, और एक तरीके से हमारी टेस्ट लेते हैं कि आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं या बुरा काम कर रहे हैं. So let's start. What things he has asked here in this poem. Is anybody happier because you passed his way? कि शुरू में ही एडगर गेस्ट पूछ रहे हैं कि whether you help somebody else go through means go nearby. Is anybody happier because you passed his way? Whether you help anybody else and that man become happy. आप किसी से आज जुड़े हुए हो और उसकी मदद की है आपने, कि उसके कारण, आपकी मदद के कारण वो आदमी खुश हुआ है या नहीं. Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? कि simple words can bring lot of changes in the behavior of other people. Our good words can change atmosphere. कि हमारे अच्छे शब्द, हमारे मृदु स्वर में निकले हुए जो शब्द हैं, वो एटमॉस्फेयर चेंज करने की ताकत रखते हैं. आपके लफ्ज़ से, आपके शब्दों से कोई आदमी, अननोन आदमी खुश हुआ है या नहीं, उसको सुकून मिला है नहीं. Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? कि आपका बर्ताव, आपके शब्द, अच्छे शब्द, वो आदमी आपके शब्दों के कारण आपको याद करता है कि नहीं, वेदर दैट अननोन पर्सन रिमेंबर्ड यू और नॉट. This day is almost over and its toiling time is through. The day has gone, it is evening time. You have lost one day from your life. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? क्या आपके अच्छे बर्ताव के कारण कोई आज शाम को आपको याद करेगा कि नहीं? Whether somebody else will remember you because of your good behavior, because of your good words. That is simple words कि आपने कुछ अच्छा काम किया है कि आपको unknown person याद करेगा या नहीं. Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along, or a churlish sort of howdy and then vanish in a throng? Did you give a cheerful greeting to a friend who came along? In this particular stanza, poet is trying to ask one more question. Did you give a cheerful greeting to a friend who came along? It is our moral duty to help our friends also. We made society, and the purpose to make society is progress, and we have to achieve this progress by helping each other. So in this stanza, poet is trying to ask whether any of your friend came to you for help, or a churlish means rude, sort of howdy, friendly greeting, howdy means, and then vanish in the throng. Throng means crowd. You just say to him hi, and you are not giving positive reply, whether you know it very well that the friend who came is asking your help, and you are not ready to help that particular friend. So you just said hi and you left and go mix in a crowd. So is it your behavior where you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along way? You become selfish, you become rude, you are not ready to help your best friend who is coming for help, who is asking help from you, and you are not ready to help him. So is it your behavior? क्या आपका कोई अच्छा दोस्त, उसकी कुछ ज़रूरतें हैं, आपकी हेल्प मांगने आया है और आप उसे टाल रहे हैं, ऐसा आपका बर्ताव है? आप सेल्फिश बन रहे हैं? और इज समवन माइटी ग्रेटफुल फॉर अ डीड यू डिड टुडे? और वो फ्रेंड जो आपने की हुई मदद के कारण आपको दुआ दे के जा रहा है, ऐसा आपका बर्ताव है? वेदर दैट फ्रेंड इज हेल्प बाय यू होल हार्टेडली एंड he said thanks many a times to you. Such things happened in your life today, and you say tonight in the parting with the day that's sleeping fast, that you help a single brother of you, of the many that you passed. कि at night time, parting means being separated with the days that sleeping fast. At evening time, just think that you help a single brother of many that you passed. Whether you help needy friend, needy person today, whether you can remember that help, that your kind help, is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said. If your help bring happiness in anybody's life? Such things happen in your life or not? Does a man whose hopes were fading now with courage ahead, by your help, is anybody else become happy, who regain his confidence back and who started doing his work properly or not? Such thing is these things happen in your life today? Did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well or sorely spent? Once again, that poet is trying to ask, have you wasted your today? Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scarp of discontent? Once again, that poet is trying to ask us, did you leave a trail of kindness, whether you have done good work today or not, or you are not ready to do good work today, discontent? As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say, you have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today? If you have done good work today, you will get good sleep, and automatically God will speak to you, and He blessed you for your kind work. You have earned one more tomorrow by the work you did today. So God will give you blessing, and one more day He will bless you. कि अच्छा कर्म करते रहने से हमारी एज बढ़ती रहती है, ऐसा कहा जाता है. सो योर काइंड वर्क मेक यू ग्रेट. योर काइंड वर्क मेक यू a different type of human being. So that type of human being is expected by poet. Poet को अच्छा human being देखना है, अच्छा human being की तरह behave करना है, और वही चीज़ वो हमसे चाहता है. So all these things he had given here in this particular poem. Now friends, if you are asked to give rhyme scheme, so AABB, this is the rhyme scheme of this poem. All stanzas are written in this rhyme scheme. Now let's discuss about figures of speech. Does anyone remember that you spoke to him today? He has asked questions, so it is interrogation. So question is asked here in this poem by poet, so it is interrogation. Is there anyone to utter now a kindly word of you? It is also interrogation. Then did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who came along? It is also interrogation. Were you selfish, pure and simple as you rushed along? So in this particular line, as selfish and simple, as sound is repeated, beginning sound is repeated, that is why it is example of alliteration. Or is someone mighty grateful for a deed you did today? So it is interrogation because question is asked there. That you help a single brother of the many that you passed. It is also interrogation. Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? It is synecdoche. In synecdoche, a part stands for whole thing, or whole thing stands for a part. So heart stands for all human being. So that is why in that sense it is synecdoche. As you close your eyes in slumber, do you think that God would say? In this particular line, slumber and say, S sound is there, that is why it is example of alliteration. So अच्छे काम करते रहो, अच्छाई से रहो, अच्छे काम का नतीजा अच्छा ही होता है और अच्छे काम के कारण तुम्हारी उम्र बढ़ती रहती है, दूसरों के हार्ट में एक जगह बन जाती है, उसके कारण हम हमेशा याद किए जाते हैं, उम्र बढ़ती जाती है. इन दैट सेंस पोएट इज़ ट्राइंग टू टेल दिस थिंग्स कि यही सारांश है इस पोएम का.